Knoxville's climate is as charming as it is varied. From humid summers to chilly winters and everything in between, the changing weather can take a toll on your home, especially if your windows are outdated or poorly insulated. If you've noticed drafty rooms, rising energy bills, or condensation on your panes, it might be time to consider window replacement as a powerful way to weatherproof your Knoxville home. Here's how quality replacement windows can shield your home from East Tennessee's elements while improving comfort, energy efficiency, and long-term value. Protection from Knoxville's four seasons. Knoxville experiences a full range of weather: hot and humid in the summer, wet and windy in the spring and fall, and cold snaps in the winter. Your windows need to be resilient enough to handle it all. Old, single-pane, or damaged windows can't adequately keep out the elements. But modern, energy-efficient windows are designed with multi-pane glass, insulated frames, and weather-tight seals to protect your home from heat, cold, wind, and rain. This comprehensive protection keeps your interior comfortable year-round, no matter what's happening outside. Energy efficiency that pays off. Replacing old windows with high-quality, energy-efficient models can dramatically reduce your heating and cooling costs. Knoxville's summers often push HVAC systems to their limits, and leaky windows let valuable cool air escape. In the winter, those same windows let cold air creep in, forcing your heating system to work harder. New replacement windows come with features like low leak, low emissivity, glass that reflects heat argon or krypton gas goes between panes for insulation, thermal breaks and insulated frames for added efficiency. These features work together to keep indoor temperatures stable, which means less reliance on your HVAC system, and more money in your pocket. Stop drafts and moisture in their tracks. If you've ever felt a cold breeze near your window on a winter night or seen water collecting around the frame during a rainstorm, you're not alone. Poorly sealed or worn-out windows are common culprits for drafts, leaks, and condensation. With a professional window replacement, your new units will be installed with precision sealing and flashing, which prevents moisture intrusion and air leaks. Not only does this protect against water damage and mold, but it also improves your indoor air quality and comfort. Noise reduction for a quieter home. While not weather-related, another bonus of quality replacement windows is their ability to reduce outside noise. Whether it's nearby traffic, barking dogs, or the occasional thunderstorm, double or triple pane windows with laminated glass can create a more peaceful and quiet indoor environment, something every Knoxville homeowner can appreciate. Improved home value and curb appeal. Energy efficiency and weatherproofing aside, new windows also offer aesthetic benefits that boost your home's value and curb appeal. Choose from a wide variety of frame styles, finishes, and window types that complement your home's architecture while increasing its resale appeal. Buyers in the Knoxville area are increasingly looking for homes that are move-in ready and energy efficient. Investing in replacement windows is a smart upgrade that adds long-term value to your property. A smart investment with lasting return. Window replacement is one of the most cost-effective home improvements you can make. The benefits: energy savings, increased comfort, reduced maintenance, and enhanced weather protection, begin immediately and continue for years. Plus, many modern windows are low maintenance, with materials like vinyl or fiberglass that resist warping, rotting, and fading in Knoxville's humid climate. Final thoughts. Weatherproofing your Knoxville home starts with one of its most vulnerable points, your windows. With quality replacement windows, you can stay ahead of the elements, enjoy greater indoor comfort, and reduce energy costs while adding beauty and value to your home. If you're ready to upgrade, work with a trusted local window replacement company that understands Knoxville's unique climate challenges. Together, you'll find the right solution to protect your home and enhance your lifestyle, one window at a time.